Hi guys! Good morning! I'm Mel Alminasa from RCD Pearl Homes Realty Inc. under Brilliant Division. We, from the Team Barnett, offers you a project which is pre-selling pa guys. At ito ay ang Citrus Heights, located in Barangay Santo Cristo, Sariaya, Quezon. Kung naghahanap ka ng swap sa budget mo, at makakapili ka pa guys, dahil ito ay nasa pre-selling pa, ibig sabihin, land development pa po. Mababa pa po ang presyo ng property na to. So, if you are looking na malapit po sa school, palengke, beaches, lalo na ngayon na summertime is fast approaching, ito ay para sa iyo guys. So, remember to invest now while you are still young and earning. Guys, as you go along the way, at kapag tumagal at pinahaba mo ang pagkuha ng investment na to, pamahal na pamahal ang value nito,